All right, folks. Oh man, my battery life's low. I better go change batteries. But before I do, we're gonna get into today's video. So, we're no longer necessarily like into the motorcycles anymore. I had some, we bought some, the kids are growing up. They'd rather drive the Jeeps, they'd rather drive the four-wheeler. So, we're gonna get this bike here going. Oh, and we're gonna get this bike here going. So this one's running. I just had to order a new battery because, well, we don't drive it enough and the battery died. And honestly, I couldn't charge the battery enough. So, I don't know if it's just my charger. I don't know what it is, but the battery is low. I think it's too low. It's not accepting a charge. So I bought a new battery, but I bought them separately. And this battery came today. So we're going to be installing this battery today on this Pitster Pro. This here's MXR140. So, oh, my heater's kicking on over there. It's going to start blowing. Oh, look at that. I got me a heater here. It's a little VVOR heater. Anyways, she starts out blowing pretty good. She runs off of diesel. But anyways, all right, so we're gonna get this one going here. So I gotta install the battery and then we're gonna see if it'll start. I don't know if it'll start. If it doesn't start, I'm gonna have to come in and clean the carb out a little bit, which is not a big deal, fairly simple. So should be really easy, but we're gonna get this thing fired up. We're gonna give it a little rub down, make sure the tires are pumped up, and then go from there as far as we're gonna put it up for sale. So, probably sell it for around $1,000 or something. I don't know. It's one of the older models, so apparently it's better because it different manufacturer apparently, and I've heard through the grapevine that the newer ones aren't as good as that one. So, I don't know, but the new ones are still good. I think there's just a few little things on these ones that made it a little bit better. I don't know. It's just what I've heard. So stay tuned. All right, let's see here. All right, we're gonna turn the gas on. Alright folks, we got the carburetor pulled. We're gonna have to clean it. It's pretty bad. So, yeah. I'm gonna get this cleaned and then I'm gonna put it back in. We're gonna drain some of this bad gas out of here. But it's, oh man, it's horrible. Oh, she smells really bad. Really bad gas. It's been sitting for a couple years, so we're gonna drain it out into this rag here. Let the rag kind of soak it up. And then we're gonna go pull the jets and pull the other little things out of there and make sure there's no dirt, debris, or build up in there. But we're gonna go get it all. Hold on, I'm gonna need another rag. But anyways, this is a fun bike, man. I really enjoyed this bike. It's a good bike to run around on, run around town. Like, it pulled me around just fine. The kids liked it. It's an automatic. You just have to shift. There's no clutch. It's actually pretty sweet. I enjoy it. Alright, so anyways, we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna drain this gas out, get the carb cleaned. I'm not gonna show you that process, but yeah, I kind of tore the gasket on the exhaust. Hopefully it'll be alright. I think it'll be alright. Alright folks, so check this out. We're gonna get up close and personal here. You see this stuff on the bottom here? I don't know if you can see that very good, but this, is it focusing? Anyways, this gunk that's all over this freaking thing, this is why it's not starting. So like, I don't even know what the heck those bubbles are in some of that stuff, but like the goop that's in the bottom of this thing, like look at that. See that goop? This is the kind of stuff that's in gas that if it just sits for several years, basically, without being ran, this stuff sits in the well, without draining the gas. You should always just drain the gas or turn the gas off. Turn the gas off and then open this little screw here on the bottom of your carburetor, drain the gas out. But this is the stuff that happens. So we're gonna clean that up and we're gonna get this thing fired up. All right, folks, we got it all cleaned. We already fired it up because, you know, I can't be looking like a fool on camera, so I had to fire it up just so that I could, you know, make sure that it was gonna start for this video. Might have to mess with the fuel adjustment. Well, folks, she runs and she's for sale. So we're gonna put this up for sale on Facebook Marketplace. Hopefully sell it for cheap, whatever. Needs a new tube though. I pumped it up. It's flat. So looks like, I don't know if that was me or what, but it looks like the rim was hit. Anyways, it's been barely ridden, but we've ridden it. So, anyways, pretty simple to clean the carb. It was, yeah, it was pretty nasty, but it worked pretty good. So we were able to clean it, clean out those jets, get everything up to par, I guess. Oh, look at that. That's really dirty. Oh, it's shining up, yeah. Anyway, so, yeah, that's it for this video. We're still waiting on this bad boy. But hopefully that battery will come today. And we just literally got to put the battery in and fire it up. She's ready to rock and roll. So we're going to put that thing up for sale as well. And we're going to get rid of some bikes. And then, hold up just a second. We're not quite done yet. And then we got a new tire for this bad boy. So we're gonna be putting this thing in the shop. Now, we're gonna try to figure out why this thing's not starting. So I need to get a battery. I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna clean this out. I need to look at a dash for this bad boy. Other than that, I think there's not a whole lot we need to do to this other than just figure out why it's not starting. But that's the thing, I don't even know if it's got gas. So once we do load this thing into the shop. We're gonna come in, we're gonna sand some of this stuff, the body work. This stuff's not horrible, but it looks to me like it might have been fixed with some Bondo earlier. Anyways, we're gonna take that off. Oh yeah, we're gonna sand it down, maybe do a little Bondo work to it. We're not gonna do much though, because I mean, let's be honest, I really don't care. It's in good enough shape that basically I'll get this thing running, paint it, maybe keep the two-tone with the cab. We're definitely gonna change the color on that thing, but stay tuned because we're gonna be working on that here this winter. Whether we paint it, well, we're gonna get it running first. I'd like to get it running first and then paint it. Oh, had my exhaust. Got my exhaust in that bad boy when I opened it. Anyways, so stay tuned. We're gonna do some more stuff to the Chevys, but first we're gonna get rid of these. Well, we don't have to get rid of them. I just brought the bikes in here to take care of some stuff, and then I got this little toolbox here. I'm gonna organize some tools here, get rid of this stuff here. Hopefully organize that stuff just a little bit better. That's gonna be like my shelf, so I'll keep my tools, my other toolbox, my impact wrench. I'm gonna keep a bunch of stuff on that little shelf there. We'll organize that, get rid of that. I'm gonna get rid of that. Well, I may get rid of that toolbox because the drawers are broke. I might keep it though, but we're just gonna move it. We're trying to organize a little bit better, because once that truck comes in here, it's gonna sit in here pretty nice. And then this is nice because it just rolls, so I can just roll it that way. I may set it out of the way over there for now. And then, yeah, this shop, I mean, this is where like an old heater went. I can't decide if I want to put an actual heater in here. It's got the duct work. I just don't know what I want to do yet. So anyways, stay tuned. We're gonna start popping out some videos, working on some Chevys, and just chilling in the garage. But anyways, y'all find a way, huh? We're all winners. Let's find a way. Smile every morning.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.